morning, everybody. Today is so I'm gonna get straight on with this day. So without further ado, don't forget to comment a hashtag and a unique name down below to be picked for my vlog. Comment down below an inspirational quote down in the description below. It's like 9:30, I think. I don't know how I've been waking up so early, but I'm so excited that I am because I'm glad I'm getting used to it. Hopefully. That's it for my intro. Let's see what the day has ahead of us.
Hey guys, I'm back from exercising. It was it was super horrible. Like literally, I was dying when we had to do the wall sit. Oh my god. I will put the picture up of our workout routine on the screen somewhere. I'm also very relieved that I'm done because that was an amazing workout and you guys should test that out. You guys can screenshot it so that you guys can do it. Why don't I just call it the 30-day Azhai challenge or something like that, fitness challenge. Alrighty guys, I'm out of the shower. I'm doing my mud mask from Pixie. You guys should go get it, it's bomb diggity. Along with the Burt's Bees exfoliant face scrub, which I usually do before my mud mask, but I ran out of that and I need to go get some more. I have my hair in leave-in conditioner from Fructis Sleek and Shine. It's like a green bottle with leave-in conditioner in it at the local Dollar General Market. But anyways, I'm just going to wash this off real quick because I'm pretty sure it's been 30 seconds, and then I'm going to play my game, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but you know, everything's Gucci. I'm literally just watching Netflix with my sister, and we're waiting on this game to install to my Xbox, and it's so aggravating. So, yeah. Alright guys, this day has come to an end. I will see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time. Please do not forget to comment a hashtag and a unique vlog squad name that will be picked and featured in every single one of my vlogs from now on. And also do not forget to comment a hashtag inspirational quote of the day, because it will also be featuring those and picking every single day in one of my vlogs. My quote of the day is, you manifest yourself as kindness in all you do. I love that quote. I actually think I'm going to do like a wallpaper of that or something like that. Anyways, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Mwah.